guys, welcome back to Ponder and Creations Farm. It feels like it's been so long. We were actually on vacation this last week, so I thought we'd just go around and check on all the animals. Here's the fish. I already fed them. And here are the ones that we brought inside. They're way easier to see. Some of these birds got so big. I'll give you guys the peaches, but I want to see if the goats want them first. Oh, look, the boys broke into Petunia's side. So she's hiding out crying.
You want one of these? I got peaches. You want one?
Did they come and eat all your food, girl? Come here. You want a peach? Come here. You have one. You have one. Where's your peach go? It's over there. Come here, Petunia. Petunia, come here. You want this? Is that good? Ow. And Petunia's still taking some formula, but we're actually gonna start weaning her. She's way better than she was. She was really bony. Look at her horn is still like hollow at the top. We might lose that tip. And those guys are being mean to her. Am I just being a chicken, guys? Should I put her in with them and see what happens? I don't think I'm ready for that. She seems afraid of them. Oh, somebody's here.
Hello, welcome.
So I've got some customers. So I will let you guys go. So guys, we ended up getting busy, so it's a little bit later in the day, so I'm gonna go around and just finish up some of the chores that I would do in the evening. And so let's go. Here we go, guys. We got the meat birds all taken care of. They are the strangest looking chickens I've ever seen. I don't really think that they are that cute. Little Sissy never makes it in any videos. You frog hunting, girl? Good luck to you. Look who's back. The some reason the bees returned. They've been gone for how long?
3 weeks, except for about
They've pretty much been gone for 3 weeks. There was probably maybe 2 dozen. I don't know where they were. There's not that much honey in here. So they better get busy. I don't see any of them coming back with pollen. Yeah, they literally just got back. And we put some lemongrass sugar water in. Dude, you want this? Come here. Oh, you have a stick? Yeah, it was a dud. Thanks everyone for watching. Check out some of the links down below in the description, and I hope to see you at the farm.